We're surrounded by water out here in the sea. This island of Newfie is home to me, where the people are friendly and lend you a hand. I'm proud to say I'm from Newfoundland. Hardships and troubles, we've had our share, but we still have memories we hold very dear. We never complain, seldom we say the job was too hard and low was the pay. But when you live by the sea, you learn to expect the way you can't change in a minute or less, and a simple prayer is all you could say. God, give me courage to face a new day. There's hardly a family the sea hasn't touched by claiming the life of someone they love. But we will respect it and know it will be a provider to many who work on the sea. The Isle rigs will come and the Isle rigs will go, but the fish in our waters will be our true goal. And Newfoundland will always be a heaven to many and a home by the sea. When you live by the sea, you learn to expect the way you can't change in a minute or less, and a simple prayer is all you can say. God, give me courage to face a new day. God, give me courage to face a new day.